Number 1. 1995 Ford F250, price $6,995, solid and dependable full-size pickup powered by a strong 7.5L 460 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. This particular truck has 220,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with a capable 4x4 drivetrain, making it well-suited for both work and off-road use. As an XLT trim model, it offers a comfortable cloth interior in gray, along with convenient features such as power windows and power door locks. Finished in a red exterior with a gray interior, this extended cab long bed configuration provides ample passenger space and generous cargo capacity. Additional features include tow mirrors and step bars, enhancing both functionality and ease of access. The truck starts right up without hesitation, shifts smoothly through the gears, and drives down the road as it should. Number 2. 1997 Dodge Ram 2500, price $8,000. The truck has 189,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior and runs on gasoline, powered by a strong 8.0L V10 engine. This truck is reported to be in good overall condition and has recently received a fresh paint job along with a new bedliner. It has been upgraded with a 6-inch lift kit, a new exhaust system, and a cold air intake to enhance performance. The audio system includes large subwoofers for added sound quality. A significant amount of maintenance has recently been completed. The harmonic pulley previously broke and caused damage to the crankshaft, but a new pulley has since been installed. Number 3. 1997 Nissan Pickup, price $7,800. It has 155,000 miles and is equipped with a reliable manual transmission. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a matching black interior, this gasoline-powered truck presents a clean and classic look. It runs great with no known mechanical issues and has been consistently cared for by its original owner. Significant recent upgrades include a brand new suspension system featuring new shocks, control arms, and bushings, providing a smoother and more stable ride. The truck also sits on brand new rims and tires, enhancing both its appearance and performance. A brand new clutch has just been installed, and many additional engine components have been replaced as well, reflecting the owner's investment of over $10,000 in maintenance and improvements. This pickup has had only one owner since new and comes with a clean title in hand. Number 4. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, powered by a strong 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 200,000 miles on the odometer and continues to perform well. The truck features a clean white exterior complemented by a blue interior. This vehicle carries a salvage title, and the registration is current. Mechanically, it is in good condition with no known issues, and everything is reported to function properly. The engine runs smoothly, the transmission shifts as it should, and it delivers a dependable driving experience. The truck is equipped with a quality audio system that produces great sound, making every drive more enjoyable. It also comes with brand new tires, making it very enjoyable and fun to drive. Number 5. 1999 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,000. Finished in gold with a tan interior, this gasoline-powered truck offers both reliability and thoughtful upgrades. It features an aluminum radiator, carb-legal KN intake, and tubular headers, not yet installed. The engine has been refreshed with new heads, injectors, lifters, pushrods, throttle body spacer, aluminum distributor, alternator, and new gaskets. The front end has been fully updated with new joints, bushings, tie rods, shocks, and front brakes, along with a GMT 800 master cylinder. It rides on new tires with ultra rims. The truck was recently repainted and fitted with clear headlights for a clean look. Inside, it includes billet AC controls, headlight switch, door handles, and shifter, along with a double DIN radio and upgraded door speakers. The seats and steering wheel are protected with fresh covers, keeping the interior in excellent condition. Number 6. 2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,800. It is powered by a 4.8L Vortec engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs and drives excellent. The truck is a 2x4 model finished in gold with a gray interior. It comes equipped with power windows and locks, keyless entry with 2 key fobs, an alarm system, ice-cold AC, and a strong heater. Additional features include tinted windows, alloy rims, the original chrome package, fully working cargo lights, and a custom color-coded camper shell with sliding rear windows. It also has a bolt-on tow package with light hookups, overdrive, and tow or haul mode, making it ready to haul. The truck has passed smog, has current registration valid through June 2027, and comes with a clean, clear title in hand. Number 7. 1993 Dodge D150, price $4,600, solid running and driving truck with 192,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a gasoline engine. The exterior is finished in silver, complemented by a blue interior. This truck comes with several desirable features, including fully functioning air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and power door locks. It has recently received new shocks and a new front bumper. The fuel pump has also been replaced after the vehicle had been parked for an extended period. Mechanically, it runs and drives well with no leaks reported. While it does have some issues, they are primarily cosmetic, making it an excellent canvas for a restoration or custom project. The truck has no rust, comes with a clean Utah title, and includes some extra parts. It is ready to be driven away by its next owner. Number 8. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, equipped with an automatic transmission, a bold purple exterior, a clean gray interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine, offering a classic yet eye-catching appearance. This truck holds a clean title with registration fees already paid, making it ready for its next owner. It sits on 20-inch rims wrapped in brand new tires, enhancing both its stance and road presence. The engine and transmission are described as being in good condition, delivering dependable performance and smooth shifting. The suspension system has been recently renewed, including new shock absorbers, providing a more comfortable and stable ride. Mechanical updates also include a new fuel pump, a new distributor, and new spark plug wires, contributing to improved reliability and overall drivability. The vehicle has been maintained to keep it running strong. Number 9. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,200, 2WD pickup with 135,000 original miles and a clean title. Powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, finished in blue with a gray interior, the truck presents nicely inside and out. The air conditioning and heater are both fully functional, ensuring comfort in all seasons. It has successfully passed smog, making it ready for the road. Mechanically, several important components have been updated, including the upper control arms and ball joints, along with a new fuel pump. The truck rides on SS wheels, and the tires are only 2 years old with good tread remaining. A spray-in bed liner has been added to protect the bed, making it practical for hauling and work use. Number 10. 1991 GMC Sonoma, price $5,500, well-preserved compact pickup showing just 67,000 original miles. It is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission paired with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, offering a simple and engaging driving experience. This truck features manual windows and manual door locks, staying true to its straightforward and practical design. The tags are up to date, making it ready for the road. It does require the air conditioning system to be recharged and will need a heater core replacement. Overall, this Sonoma presents itself as a solid, low-mileage example with classic simplicity and dependable performance.